Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to another try on haul. In today's try on haul, I am showing you pieces from an online fashion store called StyleWe. StyleWe has gifted me 6 pieces. Thank you, StyleWe, for sponsoring today's video. Now, y'all, let me tell y'all something, because I know y'all looking at me like, girl, no ma'am. Let's just give it a second. Let me explain myself. Because I had never purchased anything from them before, I didn't know how the pieces would run, and because I am on the thicker side, curvy girl, and most of the girls in the pictures don't look like me, I wasn't sure as to what size I needed. And wait, let me pause for a second before I get all the way into this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, let's stop right now. Click that subscribe button. Don't forget your notification bell, because I want you to always be in the know as to when I drop a video. Give this video a thumbs up, because remember, we want to stay in the algorithm. Leave me a comment and let me know which look. By the end of the video, let me know which look you like the best, okay? All right, and of course, share the video. Because number one, sharing means caring, and we want to reach other fashion girls, okay? All right, now let's get back into this. As I was saying, I did not know how the pieces ran, so me being the curvy girl that I am, I'm like, let me play it safe and let me just order like extra large in most of these pieces. And that's what I did, y'all. And these pieces are actually good quality, and I really could have ordered my regular size, which is a large. Well, remember, I'm teeter-tottering because I have lost a few pounds, so I can get back into the largest comfortably now. Both of these pieces that I am wearing are a size extra large. Now let me say something. Both pieces run very large. These pants, these are supposed to be like these barrel style pants now, and they have an elastic waist all the way around. They have pockets. I really could have sized down, like I really could have gotten a large in these pants, but they're not bad, because what I'm going to do is show you how to actually wear these pieces. I wouldn't dare wear them together. I'm only wearing them together today for the sake of the video. I love both pieces individually, not together. So what I want you to know is when you have a loose and flowy top, I suggest that you keep the bottom fitted, so you don't just look like you are larger than what you are, because right now there's nothing flattering about the way this looks. It doesn't look good together because both pieces are too big. I am going to show you how to style each of these pieces individually. It's the same thing if you're wearing something loose and big on the bottom. You want a top that's more fitted to your body because you want it to be a balanced look. Give me a second and let me show you. Now, do you see what I mean? I'm going to put on my sunnies because I love a tinted lens. I'm gonna take them off. I just want you to get the full picture. Do y'all see this? This is what I'm referring to when I say you need balance, because you see how it looks now? Let me take them off because I don't want to mess my makeup up. I don't know if I showed you the back of this top, but y'all see she's very loose and flowy, but you see how good she looked when you pair her with something form-fitting to the body on the bottom? That's what I mean. We need balance. Remember, loose flowy top, fitted bottoms. Loose flowy bottoms, fitted top. See what I mean? This is what I mean when I say loose and flowy on the bottom, because these pants are big, y'all. They too big for me. They're an extra large. However, I still will rock them fitted top. Now, do y'all see? Do y'all see? This is what I mean. I'm gonna take the glasses off because I don't want it to put that little imprint on there. And I still have other pieces to show y'all. You see what I mean? Loose and flowy fitted top. Up next is this super cute statement top. Now, this button right here is screaming, y'all. But when I wear her, I will definitely pin this closed because the girls are just a little bit big, all right? So anyway, but get into it. The only piece that's from StyleWe is this top. And honey, she is a statement and a staple, a white top that you need to have in your closet, okay? And you can grab your pieces from StyleWe using the discount code Ursula20 at checkout. And I will have the links to all the pieces in the description box, so make sure you check it. This piece is a size extra large, and I'm glad that I got an extra large. And I think an extra large was the largest size. And I just wanted y'all to see, styled up, how cute she is. Super cute. She's high on each side. I love this. The back, let me show you the back. And I know my tag is sticking out. Just disregard that. I had to stop for a moment, had some technical difficulties, but let me take the glasses off. I wanted y'all to see her styled up. She does contain stretch, like she is really stretchy, and I like that. But y'all, she is cute. I love this top. I love this top. I mean, there isn't anything to say. Next up is this super cute denim maxi dress. Now y'all, again, these pieces are great quality and they run big. Now, I think this dress is supposed to run this way. I think it's the way that it's made. It has pockets. Now, pockets are always a plus. You know, I'm not the tallest, so she is definitely maxi on me. I'm 5'3". I don't know if you're a little bit taller, but she is definitely maxi, and I love that about her. This dress is a size large. I am actually happy that I ordered a size large. I don't know what made me do it. I don't know if I was looking at the way it looked on the model, but I'm glad I did order a size large. She fits perfect up in here. Now this top button here, it snaps, but the rest of the buttons button like regular buttons. But this one is a snap. She does contain moderate stretch. This is the back. Super cute. I know summertime is coming to an end. Summer season officially is coming to an end in like another month, but it's still hot. You can still wear something like this in the fall. You could just layer her with a jacket, a blazer, whatever. Let me show you how I will style her if I wear her somewhere other than church. She is a whole vibe, honey. The gold accessories. If you have not heard me say, accessories are the exclamation point to your outfit. It will take your outfit from 0 to 100 real quick. I don't care how plain an outfit look. When you accessorize it, it will bring it up to par. You need the accessories. There's no other way to put it. It's the exclamation point. You're making a statement without even having to say a word, okay? We have come to the last look of the day. It's not a two-piece set. These are two matching pieces that are sold separately. I think I have a large in each piece. The material of it, I'm not really sure, but this is not cotton. I thought it would be like a soft jersey knit type, and I didn't check the product detail, but let me just tell you about it. The sleeves, there's elastic around each sleeve. There's elastic around the bottom of the top. And this right here, I'm not a fan of this. I don't know why this was added onto this because it doesn't even go. I don't know why it was put here, but it actually does work. When you pull it, you can feel it tightening up. The skirt has elastic all the way around. It's A-line style. That's what I've been into these days. Bodycon dresses, that's my favorite type of dress. But here lately, I've been trying to get more into the A-line style dress because here lately, as I'm getting dressed for church, I realized that a lot of my dresses are bodycon style. So when I saw this skirt set, and I've really been trying to get A-line style skirts and dresses for church, I was like, bingo, I need that. Like I said, the material, I'm not sure. I'll look at it when I take it off and I'll put it on the screen. And this is the back. And as you can see here, I styled her with my white Gianni beanies. They're really cute. They're not high. I love those heels. I love them. And just so you can see, finish the look. Super cute. I love it. I just be wanting to do that, y'all. And I still need to learn the difference between this one, and this one. Now, I saw some people from Atlanta say this means clock that T. This, I don't know what that is, but I see people from Atlanta do both. So, anywho, make sure you check the description box because the links to each piece that I've tried on for you today will be in the description box, as well as the discount code Ursula20. You can use that code at checkout for money off. And I don't know if I said in the beginning about shipping. I don't really want to tell y'all about shipping because it was a process for me. So I can't really say when I sent them my pieces, it was on this day, they shipped out, and I received my items. For me, it took a month. Well, not quite a month, not quite a month. It took like over 2 weeks, like almost 3 weeks for me to receive my pieces. I can't really tell you about shipping, so I don't know. But I do know you're getting good quality pieces, and you can check them out because they have so much more to choose from. These are just the pieces that I chose. And once again, thank you, StyleWe, for gifting me these pieces and sponsoring today's try-on haul. And if you girls have made it to this portion of the video, I'm excited because we are growing. We are almost to 10K. Woo, 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 woo. And I appreciate each one of you. I appreciate your support. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know what? Drop some orange hearts in the comments so I'll know you made it to this portion of the video. I want to thank you all again for joining me today with this StyleWe try-on haul. Don't forget, check the description box. Make sure you click your notification bell so you don't miss out. You don't miss out. I don't want you to miss out on anything. And I will catch each one of you girls in the next video. Adios.